the top vitamins and supplements to make you look younger instantly. As we age, collagen begins to break down, causing dull skin and wrinkles. Hair begins thinning out and becomes brittle, as there's less blood flow to the scalp. Muscle tissue atrophies and begins to sag, such as underneath your arms. Although we can't turn off the aging process, many people turn to cosmetics, surgery, and fillers to make themselves look younger. However, I recommend taking a more natural approach and making yourself look younger from the inside out. In this video, we'll be exploring the best natural supplements, diet, and lifestyle tips to reverse aging. These methods will help you to look younger instantly, including your skin, hair, nails, eyes, muscles, and more. The first anti-aging supplement is, of course, collagen peptides. Mix 2 scoops, which is 12 grams of marine collagen peptides powder in a glass of water, and drink this every day to look younger. This supplement contains all of the building blocks of type 1 collagen, which is extracted from fish skin and scales. It has no flavor, color, or odor, making it very easy to add to any drink of your choice. Marine collagen is very easily absorbed in your body and helps to improve skin elasticity, and it hydrates the skin, making it appear much younger. In particular, it helps to hydrate the tissues around your eyes, and it makes the whites of your eyes look healthier. The amino acids in the collagen powder also boost blood flow to the scalp for healthier hair growth, and to the nail matrix for stronger and less brittle nails. The blood flow, vitamin niacin, is essential to keep your body young and healthy. It's essential to have plenty of oxygen and nutrients flowing through your blood. However, with age comes poorer blood flow, which can cause your hair to thin out and fall out more easily. Without adequate blood flow, your eyesight diminishes, your skin dries out, you may get nerve pain, and your nails become brittle. Niacin, however, is one of the cheapest and most effective natural vitamins for boosting blood flow throughout the entire body. Taking 500 milligrams of niacin 1 to 3 times per day can quickly make you look younger by enhancing blood flow and nutrient delivery to your skin, hair, nails, and the rest of your body. After taking it within 2 hours, you'll notice a flushing sensation in your face and chest as nitric oxide levels increase and your blood vessels begin to open up and vasodilate. Antarctic krill oil contains a very powerful antioxidant, which is 6,000 times stronger than vitamin C for fighting against aging and oxidative stress. It also provides a rich source of omega-3s, which protect your brain and your nerves as you age. Taking just 2,000 to 4,000 milligrams of krill oil per day helps to fight the effects of aging, reduces inflammation, and it just makes you feel and look amazing. You may have noticed as you get older, you tend to suffer from more acid reflux, bloating, and indigestion. Your digestive system slows down as you age because your body produces less digestive enzymes, stomach acid, and bile. One of the absolute best things that you could do for yourself is start taking a good quality digestive enzyme supplement after each meal. Make sure that your chosen brand contains ox bile, betaine hydrochloride, and pancreatin for the best effects. These ingredients strengthen your digestive juices, allowing your body to break down and absorb more vitamins A, E, D, and K and phytonutrients from your food. All of these are anti-aging vitamins which are essential for producing cells that build new skin, hair, nails, and more. As a bonus, digestive enzymes actively get rid of acid reflux, bloating, gas, and all types of digestive problems. Copper is one of the most important nutrients for forming new collagen and elastin, giving your skin its strength and elasticity. Zinc is also essential for cell growth and repair and producing keratin, a protein that strengthens your hair and your nails. Taking a daily supplement of 25 milligrams of zinc glycinate with 1 milligram of copper is a fantastic way to improve your youthfulness. It also helps to keep hormones in balance like testosterone and estrogen. But instead of supplementing, and if you want to save some money, you may simply start eating a portion of shellfish 1 to 2 times per week, such as mussels, clams, shrimp, oysters, and more, as these will boost your trace mineral intake at less cost. Taking supplements can definitely help you to look younger, feel younger, and improve your health. However, the most important steps that you can take involve cutting out junk foods and toxins and replacing them with foods that are rich in antioxidants and nutrients that directly support collagen production. So let's quickly take a look at some of my favorite anti-aging foods. Blueberries are rich in resveratrol and anthocyanidins, which protect your DNA against oxidative damage. Sardines are rich in omega-3s, which rejuvenate the skin and protect cell membranes. Broccoli sprouts are high in sulforaphane, which promotes glutathione production for antioxidant protection against aging beef liver, is loaded with retinol and coenzyme Q10 supporting skin elasticity, healthy eyesight, and heart health. Eggs are rich in lecithin and amino acids, which support muscle, skin, hair, and nail health. I also like Swiss chard, as it's rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect your eye health and support hormone balance. Shellfish, as I mentioned, are high in zinc and other trace minerals promoting collagen production and cognitive function. You may also want to add sunflower seeds, which are rich in vitamin E and B, one protecting against hormonal imbalances and skin aging. Olive oil is rich in oleocanthal, which fights oxidation and inflammation. Mushrooms have ergothioneine, which protect your mitochondria and DNA from damage. Turmeric is also a good one, rich in curcumin, a powerful anti-aging compound. Green tea contains EDCG, an antioxidant which protects the skin and supports your overall health. How to live, feel, and look younger. Getting more sleep boosts melatonin, which protects your brain and muscles as you age and rejuvenates the skin. Go to bed an hour earlier, turn off your devices, and relax before sleeping. You can also eat all of your food within a 5-hour window and fast for the remaining 19 hours. This helps your body to recycle old proteins, and it boosts antioxidants through autophagy. Exercise often, take long walks, and do high-intensity interval training. These activities boost human growth hormone, helping you to look and feel younger with stronger joints. Cut out inflammatory foods like vegetable oils, sugar, grains, and wheat-based foods like bread and cereals. Replace them with nutritious whole foods mentioned in this video. Drink mineral water, at least 1 to 2 liters every day. You can also add an electrolyte powder with potassium, magnesium, and calcium to hydrate your body and promote blood flow. Well-hydrated skin tends to appear smoother, plumper, and less prone to fine lines, especially around your mouth. Avoid pro-oxidants like alcohol, tobacco smoke, vapes, and excessive sun exposure as much as possible to protect your collagen in the long term. Spend more time outside in direct sunlight. Infrared, vitamin D, essential oils from trees, fresh air, and exercise are all essential for a healthy and youthful body. As you get older, collagen breaks down, blood flow slows, and muscles begin to sag. However, it is possible to look younger and healthier by boosting the level of nutrients and antioxidants in your body. So to summarize, collagen peptides provide the raw materials to improve skin elasticity, hydration, eye health, hair growth, and stronger nails. Niacin boosts blood flow, enhancing nutrient delivery to the skin, hair, and nails. Krill oil is one of the best sources of antioxidants and omega-3s to fight against oxidative stress. Digestive enzymes and bile salts improve digestion and nutrient absorption for improving your overall appearance. Copper and zinc are trace minerals directly involved with collagen and elastin formation, improving your skin elasticity, strengthening the hair and nails. You should also pay attention to what food you put in your body, choosing collagen-boosting foods like blueberries, fish, and vegetables. It's also very essential to correct your lifestyle if you want to look younger by getting more sleep, doing some fasting, and avoiding pro-oxidants like alcohol. There is also a very simple daily smoothie that you can drink to quickly boost your collagen and look younger. If you'd like to get the recipe, tap on this video that I've put on the screen. Now, thanks once again for watching another of my videos. I wish you absolutely great health, wealth, and happiness.